So hello and good afternoon. I'm in Goldenhill now, and we're just going to have a quick wander through Goldenhill and just see what Goldenhill's got to offer. So it's the, what date are we today? The 12th of September 2025. Let's go check it out. So we've got bargain booze. Oh no, booze for you, sorry. I think it used to be bargain booze, but that's obviously closed and it's now called that. And that's open 11 till 10 p.m. 7 days a week. So what have we got here? We've got Lawton Rise care home. That's a big care home here in Goldenhill. So, Heathside Lane here in Goldenhill and Lawton Care Home. Let's just head down here a little bit now and check out all these different places we've got and different shops and everything. Some homes across the road there. So we've got an Indian takeaway and the Golden Delight and hairdressers here. That's pretty good. Never been the Indian takeaway. I think years and years ago I have had food from the Golden Delight, and that used to be pretty good. So they do pizzas, kebabs, burgers, fried chicken, jacket potatoes and steaks. We've got Goldenhill Garden Centre, and that's where I always get my plants from every single year. And that goes all the way down this street there. So I bet he's had a good year. He's actually closed up now at the moment. And that's on Albany Street, across the road from the tattoo parlour. So what have we got here? The tattoo parlour. Used to be a chip shop, I think. Or was that on the next one? No, it used to be on the next corner. And we've got Tan and Glow. So like a tanning studio. And then we've got a car sales. And they've got quite a lot of cars for sale on there, to be honest with you. We've got across the road there the doctor's practice, Goldenhill Medical Centre. That's been there for years and years, that has. And then the chip shop is actually here, look, that I was on about a minute ago. And that's the Goldenhill Fish Bar. We've got the late shop, Londis. Sure, that used to be the co-op, years ago. And in Londis you've got the post office. And we've got like an Amazon box there as well. And then in front of me, we've got a washing machine. So in that building there, that's, I think, washing machine. Let's go have a look. Let's go check it out. So yeah, Goldenhill Laundrette. Never knew that when I was driving past. And if you didn't, you do now. And we're looking across now at the medical centre again. And I'm going to head a little bit further down. Some strange looking characters, some dodgy characters about. Another Just Eat. And it smells quite nice as I went through there. Now this always amazes me here. There's not as many tyres now as there used to be, but this tyre centre, there used to be absolutely stacked, solid. But look how many tyres there. So you must be able to come here and sit under that shelter and have a tyre fitted on your car. In front of me again we've got the Old Pickles bungalows. They're looking alright, and it looks like they put heat pumps for their heating in there, because I can remember when it was all dug up, and you can see now all the heating on them big white pipes going into the house. So we're going to keep heading down. We've got the village shops free parking there, so that's something else you can remember. So if you do want to come to Goldenhill, you can park completely free here in Goldenhill, which is pretty good. Just passing the bus stop, and the bus stop has got a shelter, and the shelter's not broken damaged, so that's another good bonus there. Normally smashed to pieces. So we've got the church now coming up, but unfortunately the church did set on fire quite a while ago and is completely burned out. So we will probably go and have a look at that for you if you want in a second. Just get the grounds out. It looks like it could have been boarded up since I last came here. We will go in and just have a quick look. So yeah, check that out. Pretty amazing. Just can go down and have a look behind the church, and as I say, this is the building that all completely burned up. Can't remember when it was. Quite a few years ago. But if you have a look in there now, there's all trees and everything growing in there. Pretty remarkable. And it looks like somebody's actually forced the door there, look, and at some point gone in. What a shame. And I say, if you look through the window there, you can see all the trees. It's like a field growing in there. Pretty spectacular. Look at that board hanging off the window, like somebody's broke it off to get in. And then let's look at this derelict church here. Again, it's an absolutely spectacular building here in Goldenhill, and just such a shame that it's all boarded up and really going to rack and ruin. And then we've got all the graveyard look behind, and again all the graveyard look is all overgrown and gone a real mess. And then the building we can see there is another huge care home. And I'm just looking at the church now, look, there's actually trees and that growing out of there, but it's actually got a clock at the back. That's pretty amazing, that is, you know, to see that. Wow. But the door at the bottom and the window totally and utterly blocked up with metal. And then, as I say, as we come walking back out again, all this other part of the church on the left hand side, I don't know whether they were two separate churches, but again that's all burnt out. We've got a guy sitting here as well at the church in his chair. And there's the church from the front. And I was just talking to a guy there, and he did tell me last week the fly tipped in there, and the council have had to clean a load of fly tipping mess up. So we'll just go a little bit further down now, have a look at the Goldenhill Community Centre. And this is the care home again. I'm not sure what this care home's actually called. We'll have to have a look. Oh, it's the old vicarage. So that's a pretty big, well-known care home that has been here for, you know, a really, really good while. And then if we look at the end there, look across the road, we're nearly out of Goldenhill now. We've got the community centre. I should imagine that does get pretty busy, you know, as well, the Goldenhill Community Centre does. And then on the main road we've got a load more houses there. Turned out not bad now, it's actually warmed up a little bit. It was quite cold earlier on, but not a bad afternoon now. And then just in front of me, the old pub here in Goldenhill, which was a pub for years and years and years, which we're going to have a look at now. It's turned into a veterinary surgery, Vets for Pets. So for years and years that used to be quite a busy pub, but not anymore. So I think we'll turn round here now and start heading back up to Goldenhill, back to the car. So like I say, that's just a quick video I've done for you today, showing you around Goldenhill. Hope it's been helpful, and you know, I hope you've enjoyed watching it as much as I've enjoyed filming it. There's a lot of traffic. This is the main road through to Tunstall and Burslem. It's called High Street, and you can see a lot of traffic on it today. So we're going to head up now past the church again, where we just stopped and had a look, and how sad it actually was to see that building, you know, going to rack and ruin really. And the clock that I was talking to you about, look, does go round every side. Wonder how long it is since that clock last worked. Probably years and years and years, eh? Who knows? Nice grass field there for play on, if you wanted to. Just going to have a look at the church from here. Look at that. And again, look, all the grounds overgrown. What does it say on here? Goldenhill, Kidsgrove 1.25, Sandbach 8.5, Congleton 8.5. So Sandbach and Congleton are both the same distance here from Goldenhill. Pretty amazing. I'm coming up again now to this tyre place here in Goldenhill, and I've just remembered they did have like lorry bodies stacked, I think either 2 or 3 high. It did look an absolute worse eyesore than it does now, but obviously somebody's made them move them. Now I'm walking absolutely terrible into the wind here as well. So I hope these new mics are doing you a good job and breaking the wind noise. And then across the road, look, we've got the Golden Mart. Tobacco, vape, sweets, snacks and soft drinks. And then we're coming past this wild oatcake shop again, which really did smell well when I came past a minute ago. The laundrettes again. Now, I wonder why this is all boarded up, this post box. If anybody can tell me, let me know. Post office again, and the late shop. And then there's an advert there saying advertise here, and a phone number you can ring to book that advert. Pretty good. So I'm virtually back again now, and a used car place is called Motor Village Limited here in Goldenhill. It's been here a couple of years, that has, or more. Never seen many on it, but they've always got a lot of cars. Look at the clouds now. We've just had a little bit of rain, didn't come much, but no doubt we could get quite a bad storm. The clouds do look really, really stormy. And I'm back now to Goldenhill Garden Centre, and I think this is probably where I'm going to end today's video, here in Goldenhill. So I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please like, please share, and of course subscribe to the channel. That really, really does help us, and give us a big thumbs up as well, and make a comment. So I'll say to you now, the vlog is over, and I'll see you soon on the next video, wherever that may be.